What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am Sir Rich. That's Lucy Lou. And that's Maru. Check it out. I'm all hooked up. I'm ready to roll. I'm about to head out on my third camping trip of the season. Rock gotta stay home. Lucy Lou, she in the heat. Rock ain't acting right, so he got to stay home. But hey, it's raining. It don't make no difference. We about to hit the road. What's up, everybody? Back. I made it. We made it safe. Me and Lucy Lou. Where you at, Lucy? Bam. Lucy, you happy? You know how the women is. She be tripping. She in heat right now. I had to leave Rock at the crib because I was going to bring both of them, but Rock ain't acting right. He, like last night, he up howling half the night because he trying to get at her and this acting crazy. I want to kick him out the damn house, man. He tripping. So he had to stay home, but we chilling. We out at the Sterling State Park, 42 miles from the crib. Took me less than 50 minutes to get here. I didn't have no traffic at all, no rush hour traffic, no nothing. It was just a smooth sailing. This park right here, I'm not sure how I feel about this park. It's a state park. I love my state parks, but this park right here, it got some trees, but even in the middle of summer, it ain't got a lot of trees. It's kind of open. Let me man, look at that. It's pretty open. The whole park is pretty much like that, but we got the water over on the other side. I'm gonna take y'all around there so we can check it out tomorrow. It's a little windy now. Man, that wind is very fierce. I'm gonna let everybody know, give you some good advice. If you're pulling the trailer, be careful because the wind is crazy. And it was a semi truck on the side of me. That wind got the blowing. That trailer pretty much crossed the line, came so close to me. I hate that. I don't understand, why would you just feel comfortable with riding on the side of me? I don't like that. So, I don't know. Just because people got a Class A license, that don't mean they are professional. So be careful out there, y'all. But me and Lucy Lou about to get our chill on. We're probably gonna tap back in first thing in the morning. Let's see, can y'all see that right there? The sun starting to go down over there. So it's probably gonna be rising back over this way, over by the beach. So when we tap back in, we probably gonna be by the beach. Right. So I'm gonna holler at y'all in the morning. Yo. Right, y'all. I'm back. Just took the dog for a quick little walk before we retire for the night. Because it's been a long day, long week. Let y'all check out the water real fast. One good thing about this place, they got a lot of trees. They got some nice views. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Saturday morning, about 7 o'clock. We came out to see the sunrise, and the clouds is covering it up. But it's kind of clear in this area where I'm at. But down there, got clouds covering the sun. We out here chilling. Yep. We about to get out here and check this park out. Right. Right. Check it out. Check it out. That sun is booming, y'all. Oh yeah. Feel the energy hit. Like that, Lucy? Oh yeah. Let's check this park out, y'all. Right, look at these cabins. Sterling got some nice cabins out here. They all right on the beach. Right on the beach. The birds ain't doing nothing to you. Right, y'all. What's up? I'm back. Don't you want to check out my site where the weather is nice? Let's see. Damn, that's how we do it right here. Yeah. My view back here. Back there. I think some guys over there doing some fishing. Yeah, they riding through. So, turned out to be some nice weather, y'all. Yeah, definitely sunny. Man, it's too much sun. Right. Yeah. Right, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Sunday morning. Sunday morning. I think you can see the sun over there. It's kind of a little cloudier today than it was yesterday. It's kind of windy last night. But you know, we just got our chilled on. The weather was beautiful yesterday. It's supposed to be pretty good today. It's supposed to get up into the 70s. You know, it's got me debating, do I want to stay another day? So beautiful here. Got the water back there. We about to just get out here and get us a little exercise in, and you know how we start the day, y'all. Y'all know. All right, I'm gonna tap back in. Sun trying to break through. We need it. It's a little chilly. Right. Check these nice cabins out right on the beach. Yep. Imagine waking up at the cabin and that's your view. Very nice. Come with you a fire pit. They even got you a little grill right there. Right, we out. Right, check my view out. Camper right there. And that's the view I got in back of me. You got them two big smoke towers up there. But I do got some water in back of it. I got a pretty nice site. Yeah. Right. We out. What's up, everybody? I'm back. Sunday, slightly after 1. It's time to go. I'm all ready, all hooked up. Everything looking good. I got a light out in the back on the camper. My turn signal light on the passenger side not working. So let's take it easy going home. Real good time, very peaceful, relaxing, nothing but therapy, y'all. And then right now, it feels like it's 70 degrees right now. It's just so nice. It's just been a real nice weekend. If it wasn't for the aggressive breeze that was going on Saturday, it would have been a perfect day. Today is very nice. I thought about booking today and going straight to work from here. I thought about it, but I don't know. I need to get home. Got to get home. So we had a good time. Let's see. We might be going back out next week. We'll see. But we about to hit the road. Lou, you ready? Come here, girl. Come here. Right. Me and Lucy Lou. Now,